Assalamualaikum. My name is Preeti De. I am a student at Moon IT. Spoken Best 24. She is Habiba. He is Araf. He is Pritul. He is Ayman. Today we are at our outdoor class at Feni station. Now we are describing the station. There are many facilities like ticket counters, waiting room, and small shop. There are 3 train tracks line in this station.
We are students of Moon IT. Today, Moon IT Institute arranged outdoor class. So that's why we are at now in a railway station. Railway station is a large and busy place where train is arrived and repaired regularly. There are several platforms, ticket counter, waiting room, and a small shop. Many vendors selling tea, water, and snacks. Some people waiting for their trains.
There are many people at the station. Some are passengers, some are sellers, and some are police officers.
On the platform, I can see luggage, bags, and benches. Besides, I can see birds, railway tracks, and a signboard. I can imagine birds charming and light sound stations. It may smell fresh because of the trees. I feel peaceful about this place. It looks safe and comfortable. That's it. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.